consultant मातृत्व चिकित्सा केंद्र दिल्ली. I wanted to discuss with you one major topic which is upcoming nowadays very commonly is infertility. What is infertility? हम जानते हैं निसंतानता क्या है. हम 2 महीने के कपल भी आते हैं मेरे पास और बोलते हैं मैडम बच्चे नहीं हो रहे, तो क्या वो इनफर्टिलिटी है? नहीं. 1 साल अपनी नॉर्मल मैरिज के बाद, हम एक नॉर्मल हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल जीने के बाद अगर हमें बच्चे नहीं होते हैं तो वो इनफर्टिलिटी है. मेरे जो बहुत कॉमनली नोन कारण है उसमें, वो जो हम क्यूरेबल है, हमारी लाइफस्टाइल. आजकल हमारी लाइफस्टाइल बहुत स्ट्रेसफुल है. हमारी लाइफस्टाइल में बहुत सारा जंक इंक्लूडेड है. बहुत सेडेंट्री लाइफस्टाइल है. वी आर गिविंग मच मोर टाइम ऑन अ स्क्रीन, वर्किंग ऑन अ स्क्रीन. हमारी जो यंगर जनरेशन के किड्स हैं उनकी भी एजुकेशन से स्क्रीन शुरू होता है, एंड टिल द एंड ऑफ देयर करियर, टिल देयर लाइफ इट्स स्क्रीन एंड स्क्रीन एंड स्क्रीन. देयर इज नो फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. देयर इज वेरी लिमिटेड household food which we are eating, which are very much dependent on the outside restaurant food. We are very much on the junk. Are we understanding what we are doing to our lives? हमारी लाइफ उसके कारण we are moving towards metabolic disorders, towards this obesity, which is very common. It is not due to only females. It is also due to males. Both the partners are equally responsible. Stress is a very bad which is coming in infertility. Our career orientation which is making late marriages, which is going towards infertility, because the egg reserves which are in female, there are millions and millions of eggs when we are born, that goes on decreasing and decreasing, and the age progresses. And what is the basic fertility? The main fertile period is till 30, what I think. After that, एज के कारण हमारी एम्ब्रियो क्वालिटी, हमारी एग्स की क्वालिटी, द एग्स का कितना एग्स है, वो सब डिक्रीज हो जाता है. तो हमारी जो लेट मैरिजेस हैं उनमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. बट हमने न्यूअर टेक्नोलॉजीज का, दे आर इमर्जिंग लाइक एग फ्रीजिंग. इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुली इमर्ज टेक्नोलॉजी विच हैज बीन used now, which we are also using now, egg freezing and embryo freezing. But is it natural? It is not. But at least we should treat by the natural way. We should cure ourselves, and we should not do what is harming our body, our physical health, our generation. हम कम से कम अपनी बॉडी को, अपने को 1 घंटा दे सकते हैं रोज़ का. अपने स्ट्रेस को थोड़ा रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं, अपने आप को रिलैक्स कर सकते हैं, अपने जंक को थोड़ा रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं अपनी नेचुरल वे में. पुराने ज़माने में इनफर्टिलिटी उतनी कॉमन नहीं थी. आज भी गाँव में उतनी कॉमन नहीं है, बिकॉज दे आर ऑन वेरी मच इनटू नेचुरल डाइट. what we are having, rotis, chapatis, not on pizzas, burgers and everything. So PCOD is also due to that. PCOD के कारण obesity is coming, diabetes is coming, then BP is coming, because it induces metabolic disorders. Obesity is inducing PCOD, it's vice versa. So our lifestyle changes can reduce infertility, and newer techniques are there, IUI, IVF, ovulation induction, which are helping to treat infertility. We should not jump to IVF. Is every patient for IVF? No. We should just start with the natural way, then go for an IUI, then first ovulation induction, then IUI, and then IVF. IVF is the last what we are thinking. It's not the first step, like quick, just go, just have an IVF and have a magic baby. It's not like that. It's increasing the abortion rate. Are many things like diabetes, thyroid. Infertility can be due to many causes. Infertility in males can be due to metabolic disorders also, stress also, their age also causes. Infertility in males can be due to metabolic disorders also, stress also, their age also is harming, the smoking, the alcohol intake is harming, the sperm quality is reducing, and in females the ovary quality or eggs quality is reducing. So we have to think what we are doing to our body, and we have to go stepwise, not jumping and hopping here and there from one IVF to other IVF center, to other IVF center. Just know what is the major cause of your infertility. Thank you.